Okay guys, what's up mga boy? For today's video, maglalaro tayo ng Midnight. Maglalaro tayo. So bago mag-start ng video na to, huwag niyo kakalimutan na mag-like at subscribe. Tara, papasok na ako sa one player. Yan, ako lang mag-isa dito. Pwede yung umalis. Galing. Mag-wait lang tayo. Mag-wait lang tayo ng ano. Yung time matapos. Yan na. Midnight burger pala to. Midnight burger. So guys, ito. Waiting for loading to complete. Loading the game. Uy! Nagalaw ako. Pipindot ko yung jump. Ang galing. Huh? Wala nga akong kasama. Waiting for other players. Excellent Studios. Oh, intro. Oh. Jumpscare everyone. May bayad. Night 1. Good fast foods restaurant. Ganda na sasakyan natin. Time to lock the ship. Ano yung dread burger? Ay, sayang. Ba't ang dumi? Malas. Uy, Rod. One elevator door clock in. Looks like it was left note in the counter. Lucky for you guys, the two speakers are down, which means that you will only be able to take customers' orders from the counter. It is fixed. Also, in other news, we have been getting a bunch of reports from customers about a Saudi figure lurking around the premises, as well as looking through the windows. If you see anything, do not interact with them because they are be dangerous. Your manager. Huh? Ano yun? Bakit may ganun shadow window? Grabe na. Hello, sir. How could I help you tonight? Hoy, magsalita ka. What the sig... Bro. Nerd. What? Anong what the sigma? Itasang kita dyan eh. Hehe, don't worry about it. Itasang kita, hehe. Itasang kita dyan eh. Sakto, kalbo ka. Okay, plan on order shield. Yes. One hotdog please. Oh. Saan yung hotdog dito? Mr. Don't say that. That will be... Wow! Uy, putang kalat. Putas. Ay, may bayad yung baril. Give me this. Ito na yung cash. Get wooden freezer. Ito ba yun? Kuha pa ako. Ano ba? Dito. Lamig Yan. Frozen hotdog. Pati ba naman hotdog? Ba't yung hotdog may tinapay? Kala ko ba hotdog pa lang yan? Ba't may tinapay na agad? Lupit doon ka na. What a sigma. Thank you, kind person. Talaga. Sabi mo, what a sigma. Balik ka ulit. May bayad. Lahat na may bayad. The next. Pwede muna tayo sisira. Secret ending. Strongest weapon. You, minigun! Ay, kala ano yan? Hindi ko maano kasi may nakarang. Wala pang customer. Yun. Oh. Bakit? Wow, there's really some... Here's this late. Yeah. Why couldn't there be? Oo nga. This heard the news, huh? Alam ko na yun, yung shadowy. Dangerous daw. Anyways. Could I get some fries, please? So, yung cash muna first. Cash, sure. Cash. Ba't puro maintenance? Sense. Tara. Yan, frozen fries. Bakit ganito yung price? Yellow, tapos may karton na? Di ba na sisira yung karton? Oh, ito na yung price mo, ate. Bas na. Good luck. I want you to do. Sige na. Balik ka ulit. Sana naman walang employee of the month. Okay. Surely that lady is about early here. Ow! Sheesh! Listen to the news. Nasa yung radyo? Babalik naman ako. Ito, bulis. Doon. Siguro pagkatapos natin kumakain, hindi kita achieve about it. City after his revelation last night. Uy. And then, people call him the Peterson illustrator at night, often targeting them at the head reception, as if at the local businesses. Bakit puro ang haba? Kailan ba ako magwawalik? She said agent to stay inside and shift quarters. They commanded the legend. Huwag ka na nga ba sa akin? Pabayaan ko na yun. Hindi na to. Bakit puro may job skills? RPG? Uy. May RPG dito. Uy. Tama, nadudulas ako. Naglalaro na lang no? Imbis na makinig. Kailan ba ako magwawalis? Ano to? Yung drive-thru. Sarado yung drive-thru. Ano yan? Ba't ang daming, gulay? Padami sa gulay. Talk to the customer. May customer ulit. Hello there. Yung minimum wage, dear. Means a lot from the guy in a suit. Anyways, what do you want to order? Kula ko yan. Price. Hamburger? Okay. Okay, wait lang. Oh, 99 cents. Ito na. Tara, takbo na. Speedrun. Bakit ano na agad? Ba't ganito yung burger? Yung price naman may karton agad kahit nasa yellow na. May kagat. Sabi ko na may kagat eh. I don't care. I do not care. Umalis ka na. Sarado ko nga to. Baka mo naman. Delikado nyo. Tingnan natin pag may dumating na customer. Pagsaraduhan natin. Ay, pulis. Yung nangyari sa mukha ng pulis. Nabugbog ba yan? Tingnan niyo yung mukha ng pulis. Tama. Kala ko pangit yung mukha. Yung pala. Officer, how will you help you? Babalaan ako niyan. What's going on everything? Good, I guess. Why? Why is there something wrong? Have you heard the news in the city to make sure everyone is safe? Yes. Yeah, I heard the news. Everything is fine around here. Okay. Well, if you see anything, please give us a call. Okay. Well, ano order mo? Since take your burger, place a burger. Money. Give me your money. Let's get a burger. Pwede kaya ganito? Uy, pwede oh. Panis. Hamburger. Bye-bye. And remember, if you see anything weird, give us call. Okay, I understand, officer. Lakas ng ulan ah. Ririnig niyan, umuulan. Jump scare everyone. Tao ba? Yan na. Magwawalis na ulit ta. Sabi ko na, dito na ako magwawalis. Dito na. Sabi ko na eh, mawawala yan eh. May customer. Yan. Talk the customer. Yo, bra. What's up, bra? Gym, bro. Bakit, bra? What can I get cook up for you tonight? I just done at the gym, bra. I need some protein. So let me get a burger. Okay. With extra meat, bro. Okay. Gusto mo punuin? Gusto mo, puro meat na lang eh. Anything else? Okay, do you want anything else? Nah, bra. Just the burger. Nah, bro. Give me your money. Okay, bra. I'll get the food, bra. Do you know that, bra? Tikin na sa kabila ko. Oy, ito na. Bibigay na may frozen. Tapos na. Oh, yun na. Yo, thank you, bra. Bakit puro ka ba, bra? Tawag mo sa akin, bra. You are welcome. Did you hear the news, bro, about a killer guy? Yeah. I'm little creeped out about it. Brrr. You are scared about see these guns? I call best to just see. Nasaan yung baril mo? Nasaan yung baril? I see. Wala namang baril eh. Anyways, bra. Good luck. It lol. With arms like that. With it lol. Oh, bye-bye. Ngay, boring. Pwede. Pero upo muna tayo dun. Bulat ako dito. Looks like it's time for nagka-trash din ako. Nasaan yung trash? Nasaan trash? Paano nagkaraan ng trash dito? Give me this. Give me this. Ay, sulong. Saan yung trash can? Ay, ba't ako nadulas? Meron na namang banana peels. Layo. Ikot pa ako. Saan ako dadaan? Ba't nandun yung dumpster? Saan ba ako dadaan? Saan ako? Tara, try natin naman dito sa drive-thru. Dito. Open. Uy! You scared me. Oo nga. Bigla what? To get out of here. Wow, you must be pretty organized like this. Ba't bigla nagugulat eh. Bigla ko na nga yun. Baka multi naman yung next. Nagulat ako. Kala ko yung ano. Sinasabi nilang killer gay ba yun? Shadowy. Ayun. Banana peels na naman. Tiyan mo, sa panghuli, may jumpster na naman. Tignan ko, may jumpster na naman sa panghuli. Lah! May jumpster na naman sa panghuli. Tignan niya, tignan niya. Ba. Ito, pag may jumpscare to Pag may jumpscare to Ewan ko na lang. Burger. Ay. Buti naman walang jumpscare. Customer na, sarado natin to. Safety force. The sound this guy was really strange. Oo nga. Bigla nang gugulat. Anyways. Time to clock out. Okay, ka-clock out na natin. Tapos na yung trabaho. Uy! Yun! Gulat ako. Uy! Huwag mo itulak. Ano yan? Sino yan? Night 2. Red Burger Fast Food Restaurant. Night 2 na. Ano masama nangyari? Pwede kayo punta dito. Another night shift. Bukas na. off natin. Sayang sa kuryente. Ha? Ano anak? Ano yung punta? Bakit? Bakit wala akong mukha? Hey, what do you guys sell here? Ba't wala siyang mukha? We sell burgers, hot dogs, fries. Can I get, ano ba kukuhanin mo? Tagal naman. Malis ka na nga lang. Do you know what you do? Send more time to think. Bilisan mo na! Uy! Let me get some, tagal naman. Pwede pa hotdog lang pa lang. Wait lang, actually, get, surprise! Okay. Sure. No. Ano, ang tagal niya. Ay, sila, mature na. Where's the money? Where? Yun, kala ko nawala mo eh. Let him cook. Ay, nung nasa karton agad, kahit may yelo pa. Ano yung price mo, old man? Thank you. Tapos, paano mo na? Nakasok-usok pa. Yung kinuha na doon. Pati lalagyan, kinuha. Habulin ko yun. Salin mo. Oy, bumalik ka dito. Tayo ko punta dito kung pwede. Grabe. Lawak ko, bumalik na ako. Talk to the, nandito ni manager, yes. Talk to the manager. Tapos na yung ship ko. Sana naman tapos na. Sir. Saan yung pinto? Nasaan yung manager? Pintas ah. Kaso walang muka. Hey! You know who I am, right? Oh, ikaw yung manager. Sulit nga eh. You're the manager, right? You know what that means? Right? What it mean? Tapos na yung ship ka? It means you have to do, what I say. Ano sabihin ko? Ano? It looks like you've been doing that very well. Tapos? May kalat na naman. There's one everyone in the safety room. Right? Oh, but kukuhanin ko na to. Una na kita. Someone sleep before he have a job. Una, kukuhanin ko na to. Sum up it now. Or you'll... Hindi ko lang mamap. Fired na agad. Suplado naman eh. Ito. Good. And don't let me catch you slacking off again. Ba't kagalit? Staying machine. Ito na yung map. Bakit tayo makuha yung map? Nice. Ang dami. isa-isahin ko pa talaga. Dito pa yung si boss. Sana lang, nasan? Matapos na din. Wala na si boss. Okay. Mag-wait na lang tayo dito ng customer. Tapos na ako. So, yun. Michael Jackson, ikaw ba yan? Tok na customer, ay gray nga siya. Hey kid, how is it going? I'm not kid. I'm not kid. Sabi ko na I'm not kid eh. It's going alright. Nah, man. Could I have it for the anyways? Nah, man. Hey, suspicious. I've seen dead bodies around here. Baka yung detective o yung yung suspicious guy. I got it as ano kailangan mo. If you do, give me a call, alright kid. Ba't mo ba ako tinatawag na kid? Sure. Sige na. Ano ba order mo? Since I'm here, I'll take a hot dog. Where's your money? Ano yun? $4 and $3 and okay. Give more money. Yun, money. Then this. Ito ba ba? Pwede naman pala ganun. Yan na. Remember, kid, if you see dead bodies, call, you give me a call. Sige na. Oh, yeah. Okay. I will do. Ay. Wala bang customer? Pwede pa ba ako mag-chill? Chillax. Ay, nagilat. Ay, may sunog agad. Wala pang. Bigla naman ako iniiwanan. Sana malapit na. Sana. Oo nga, paano yun na-happen? Paano yun nangyari? Wala naman ako naiwan na sunod. There shall be no way for them to catch on fire. Tara, labis nga muna ako. Hey! Yun, may customer na. Ay na naman si old man yan. Ay, hindi! Yung homeless guy. Ayun yung homeless guy, di ba? Ay, yung na-jumpscare namin. Yung na-jumpscare sa akin. I remember you. You scared me last night while I'm taking the trash out. Oo nga. Kasi nananakot. Ano order mo? If I were you, I would be a night like this. I'm not too endure for you. And you'll be warned. Ano warn mo? Warning. Okay. Did you want to order any food? How much is a burger? $4. It will be $4.99. Here's two. I found in downstairs. That's not enough, you know that. Sure. Okay lang yan, kahit ano, di... Papa. May kaya ganito. Nakahanap ako ng trick. Sana yung burger mo, homeless. Thank you and thank you. Thank you and thank you. Ay. Hindi nag-thank you. Wala na nga yan nun. Tara. Yung homeless guy may sasakyan. Uy! Bagong night. Ba't ganyan? Night 3. Pagka-spawn ko, ba't may ragning? Ba't ako palagi gabi nagtatrabaho dito? Di na lang umaga. Sarado ko to. Guys. Ayun, customer na. Bakit? Hi, ma'am. What you really like to eat? Ano kakainin mo? Estudyante ito eh. Just a hotdog place. Hotdog? Hotdog? Okay. That will be 3. Then please. Kaya mo ba? This is only cheap place in town. Ha? Place in town. Pagkano binayad na ito? Cheap ba yung hotdog? Alam ko din. Cheap lang yun ang ante eh. Hindi naman masyado. Ano? Tara. Yummy! Thank you. Sige na, estudyante. Wow man. Ay, sana madulis ka dun. Kaya nga, padulis nga ako dito sa banana peels. Ba't estudyante may sasakyan na ganyan? Pick up truck? Tara nga, padulis na muna tayo. Uy! Pinaglalaro ng banana peels eh, no? Uy! Ay, may customer na. Ay! Kulay white, kala ko monster. Hi, bro. Help you. Can I please get some please? Price, wow. What the? Ano please? Okay. Anything else? No, thank you. Tanapon. Oh, dollars. Here's your money. Wow. Ba't kayo palagi may wow sa dulo? Tara. Ano yun? Ano yung pinorder? Fries. Ba't may wow yun? Tignan natin kaya wow. Thank you, wows. Doon na eh. Thanks, wow. Doon na. Tara nga, sa baboy, ay. Follow natin, ay. Pwede kaya yun, sumakay tayo sa sasakyan ng customer. Gawin ko yung mamaya. It is not my problem. May ibang customer. Uy, may Jimbro na naman si Jimbro. Si Jimbro yata yan eh. Ay, si Ice Speed. How's going on? Si Ice Speed, good. What will you click to eat? Just some price, please. Ito na, also. Money. Give me money. Maybe it means but when I falling car into here, I saw some sort of creature with purple bag mask. He was walking around the building. Huh? I don't want. It was creeped me out. What the? Sino anyways? Here's the money. Ano ba order mo? Order nito. Ano sinasabi na order? Hotdog yan. Ay ano, burger. Sabi ko na burger. Thanks. Okay, I don't see the creature again. I don't see that creature again. Tara nga, sundan nga kita. Ay, pag-unahan ako sa sasakaya sa sasakyan mo. Eh, bawal sumakay. Ano ba yan? Bawal sumakay. Glitch na sana eh. Sa sasakyan ko lang bawal. Uy, ano yun? Oh my god. Oh my god. Nagulat ako. Ano yun? What the? Nagulat ako. What the hell? Nagulat ako din ah. Bahala na. Uy, yun. Nag-brown out. The power is out. I need to go reset it. May jumpscare yan. Sa likod pa may jumpscare yan. Yan mo, may habol sa akin dyan. Sana wala. This is another homeless person I saw last. Uy, uy! May dead body! Si homeless guy eh! Yung si homeless guy, dead body! Hey! Ay. Free revive? Revive self. Ay. May bayad. Ano ba yan? Ba't ako nahuli? Ay. Bahala na. So guys. Wait lang. Tanga. So guys. Dito na nagtatapos yung video. Antayin nyo lang yung part 2 na itong video na to. Huwag nyo kakalimutan na mag-like at subscribe. Bye-bye!